cheapest item you can find on Louis Vuitton's website at this very moment. I'm going to show you what it is, how I plan to style it and use it, and what all comes with it when you buy it. I bought it directly from Louis Vuitton's website and had it delivered to me. It came today. I'm so excited to open this up and share it with you. This video was inspired by the fantastic and wonderful Winnie Bee LV. If you have already seen her video and now you're coming over to me, I so appreciate you, and I so appreciate Winnie for agreeing to collaborate with me on this video. I watched Winnie's video first, and if you've not seen that, I will link it down in the description box so that you are able to go over and watch that video. You can see what items she bought and what came with it, what packaging came with it, as well as then compare that to if I got the same type of packaging and all the bells and whistles that Winnie did, even though my item was half the cost. Winnie, thank you again for agreeing to collaborate with me. I am such a very small channel and you're so gracious enough to be able to do that. And I'm so excited to see if I got the packaging that you got, girl. All right, let's get into it. I'm so excited. So we have it in this box here, and this is the box that it shipped in. The box is slightly wet because it's been raining a lot where I live. As you can see, it came with the shipping bag, which you can elect to get a shipping bag or not. So this is something that you select when you go to checkout. So it came with this cute little shopping bag. So cute. And then we have the receipt and then the actual item, which, gosh, this is a little bit heavier than what I expected it to be. So let's see how this came. So it comes with a ribbon and a little card with the information on it. Let's see, let's open up this little card and see what's in there. Oh, it's just a little envelope, which is really cute, that you can write something on if you want to. How cute is that? And then put it in there. That would be like a cute gift that you could do. So like if you bought this for someone and you wanted to gift it to them, then you could write a little, you know, happy birthday or whatever the occasion is that you're giving it to them. All right, so then I'm going to undo the ribbon here. And it, on the back, has a little envelope opening situation. And then you open it up, and here it is. So this is what I got. It is a book guide, or study guide, for Osaka. And I just love the color of this. It's such a pretty color. And I thought that it would be really cute to display with the other book that I have up here. And here are some things that come in it. So it just talks about what you can see. It includes like all the museums here, all kinds of information. So pretty. A lot of information, it looks like, within here. And then it has some pretty pictures as well. And history. So this item was, here's the back of it so that you can see. So here's the front of it, this side, and here's the back of it. So this item on Louis Vuitton's website was $31. So this was the cheapest item that you could get on their website. There are a couple other city books that are available that are more expensive than this one. There were two, and if both of them are still there, then I'll put the web address for both of them so that you can go down to them if this is something that you're interested in. But they had two of them that were this cost, and then they had two that are more that were a higher cost. So these two were the only that were the cheaper cost. I will let you know, if you've not seen Winnie's video, you're going to want to go over there because the item that she got, the packaging that came with her item is a lot better than this one. So I think that I am going to get that item as well because I want the packaging that came with it, and you'll see what that is when you go over to Winnie's video. So this is what I got, and then it came with this, which this is a cool box that is more unique. You don't necessarily see this as often. So this is a cool box that is, you know, standing, and then I have the ribbon, the receipt, and in total with taxes, I think it was like $33. And then I have the shopping bag, which the shopping bag is super cute. I don't have one that's this size, so that is everything that came with it. Let me show you where I plan to put it in this room. and why I felt like it made sense for me. And then, like I said, I think I'm gonna get what Winnie got as well. So if you've not already seen her video, go over to that video. What were your thoughts? Do you feel like this is worth $31? I think that this has a lot of really cool information. It is a softback. It's not necessarily a hardback book, right? It has a lot of information in it. It's very pretty. And I think that it is something that you could get a lot of information from if you're wanting to learn more about that. I don't know if it's something that you could, and also here, I'm looking for this more. So here is, it's talking about some of the bags, some of the like food. I feel like this is a lot of really cool information. It has actual maps and ways to get places, which is cool. So I think that it has a lot of great information. It has places like, it tells you about shops and where to shop within the city. So I'm excited to actually read some of this and learn some more information about, because I would love to go to Osaka. So yeah. Anyway, this is what this looks like. I think that it has a lot of good information for $31. I mean, I have, and like with the packaging, although the packaging, like I said, isn't as nice as what Winnie got, it still comes with packaging as well. So that's cool. I'm excited to use it. But let me know in the comments down below, what are your thoughts? Do you think that it was worth $31? Would you have gotten Winnie's item instead? I think I'm still going to get Winnie's item. But I was interested to see what the packaging would look like for the literal cheapest item that you can get from Louis Vuitton. And then also what the item actually was like. And I'm not mad at it. I do think that it would be nice that, like, if it was hardcover, I would not expect that though from Louis Vuitton. It would be more expensive if it was hardcover. Come on now, we know better, right? But still, it was cool to see. I'm excited to add it, and I think it looks really cute in the place that I put it, so I'm excited about that. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you again, Winnie, for agreeing to collaborate with me on this. I really appreciate you. It's so cool to be having watched and been a fan of Winnie's for so long, and now to be collaborating with her on something is really cool. So I hope that you guys have an amazing day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you picked up an amazing piece between the last video and this video, you need to let me know down in the comments down below so that we can celebrate your amazing find. And if you want me to highlight that on the community page, just let me know, because I would love to celebrate your amazing find and the story behind it with you, and allow our community to do that with you as well. So please let me know in the comments down below. My name is Rachel. This is Lex on the Low, and I hope you have a luxurious day. But as always, keep it on the low. Bye guys! Thanks again, Winnie!